Hello friends, we are very happy to announce we have introduced a new mobile application, Kuberdhan Trading mobile application. This is very much good application. This will help to identify good profitable trades. Okay, so give me 5 minutes of your valuable time. I will explain everything about the application, how to use it, and what is the free, what is the chargeable. So please invest your 5 minutes. Okay, so I am just demonstrating this wonderful mobile application. This is most awaited mobile application. This is very simple to use mobile application. Okay, this is not so complex. See, what we have focus is how to make money from the market. Okay, so this is how we are gonna, the main agenda is. So if you purchase the application, we are gonna give you help for the trading, telegram trading group as well. Okay, so identify how to identify good trades. So first of all, I am just demonstrating this application. So this is Kuberdhan charts, live charts, and EOD is completely free for lifetime. This live chart is like this, we can identify. So let's suppose I am just looking at the crude oil. Okay, so MCX, and I have to open crude oil. So you can see that crude oil is fallen a lot. So this is 22 rupees is the current profit. Now I am just going to the futures and I am just opening my bank nifty. Okay, so bank nifty is moving like crazy and every day it is giving us the good profit. So bank nifty is somewhat 473 rupees current profit is going on. So if you had this software, you might purchase the bank nifty and you have made the money. Okay, so let me open Reliance. So this is Reliance, and Reliance is also a great buy, right? Because it is giving us the 50 rupees profit. 50 rupees profit is a big in a intraday. So this is also a very good chart. So you can see that all indicator is indicating the buy signal is there into the Reliance. Okay, intraday positional and everything. The chart is also green and the below is ribbon is also blue color. Okay, so now we are just moving to the cash. This is Nifty 50 cash will be served over here. So let's suppose I just want to see the ICICI Bank. So let me open ICICI Bank. So ICICI is also giving us the 5 rupees as a profit. So this is live chart. It will not exactly as per the perfect, because we have to understand this is a mobile application. This is not live AMI broker. So when you request something, it will go to the server, take the photo and serve you. Okay, so this will be delayed by somewhat 30 seconds or nearby 30 seconds. Now I am just giving you the fundamental insight. So this is a Voltas future report. Okay, so some broker have given this recommendation of the going long on Voltas. So we are just providing this free of cost report to you. If you have reading habits, you can definitely come to this section, and this is also free for life. Okay, so don't delete the app. If you don't want to purchase the app, you just be with the app is very useful. So this is learning zone. Here we are gonna post a lot of learning videos and all, and there is a latest news. Latest news is nothing but we will post some good articles and inputs about the markets. And this is wonderful website section. Wherever you want to have the good insight about the market, all the major famous websites are there: NSE, BSE, MCX, Money Control, Yahoo Finance, Economic Times, everything is there. So let me go to the Economic Times. If you go to mobile application, this mobile chart will mobile site will be loaded over here. If you want to read, you can read it from here itself. So go outside, and this is very important section, and this is also free for life. So don't delete the application. Okay, so here we can identify a good stuff. Let's suppose open is equal to low. Now let me show you open is equal to low is that whatever the script is gonna fire, this is gonna come over here. So Apollo Hospital, let me check the Apollo Hospital. Go to the Kuberdhan chart, live chart, FNO, and open Apollo Hospital. So this is Apollo Hospital future, and look at the chart. 35 rupee intraday profit, which is a big profit, right? So you have to always focus like what to buy, what not to buy. From our application, you will always entitled to get this detail. Now nearer day high, nearer day low. So whatever the things are nearer day low, it is gonna fall. It is a sell only scripts. So right now market is bullish, so nothing is at day low. Okay, so now what is day high? So we can identify day high. See, Bajaj Finance is at day high. Cadila Health, Gale, HDFC Bank, HDFC Like. Which chart you need to look at? These charts you need to look at, because these are the scripts which is nearer to day high. Let me check Bajaj Finance. Okay, so this is Kuberdan. Then go to the Kuberdan live chart and FNO chart, and this Bajaj Finance. Okay, so this is Bajaj Finance, and look at the rally. Okay, so wonderful buy just now generated, and you can identify this short happened, but it is not a good short because the other parameter was not getting matched over there at that moment. Okay, and now it is a good buy, so you can definitely take a long entry on Bajaj Finance with the stop loss. But now after 2:30 we are not allowing or not encouraging people to take a fresh intraday position, so don't take any position on after 2:30. This is our trading rule. So friends, I just given the demonstration of about this application, and if you want to join us, okay, so open an account with us. This is our partnering broker. So Allies Blue, Fires and Upstock the preferred broker, and the 5paisa, Zerodha, all these other broker is also we are having, but we are giving exclusive our services support to the Allies Blue, Fires and Upstocks. So please open an account with us. We will give you some heavy discount on mobile application and its other purchases also. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.